So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some premium design resources with you all, most especially those who are in our community. They know themselves. So guys, I'm going to walk you through the design resources because they are arranged categorically into different folders. As you can see, we have different folders here. So we are going to open each folder so you can see what is inside, so you can see the resources that are inside each of the folders. You get my point? So guys, let's open the first folder, which happens to be this. In this folder, we're going to find PNG files there. So let's open the folder so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so click on this. So guys, as you can see, we have opened the folder. I know a whole lot of you are confused. What is going on here? Calm down. I'm going to tell you what exactly you are supposed to do. Now, highlight this link. It is important you highlight it. The moment you highlight it, you are going to see different icons such as follow link, copy, select all, and add comment. The icon you are supposed to click is this particular one, which is follow link. That reminds me, for you to gain access to the resources are totally free. You need a particular application which is called Google Doc. It is owned by Google, so go on Play Store and download the application. I'm going to show you how it looks like in this video so that you will not download the wrong one. Now click on follow link, then tap on it. Beautiful. So guys, hope you can see we've opened the link and these are the resources. Now let's open each of them one after the other so that we can see what is inside. Yes, these are gradients. In case you want to add an effect to your design, you can come here and download any of these gradients. Hope you can see. Now let's check the second folder, aeroplane. Yeah, these are images without a background. You understand? Probably you want to create a real estate flyer design or a peculiar design. You can just come here and pick it. I've downloaded it. All you need to do is for you to save it into your gallery. You understand? Yes, we still have this. You understand? So just come here, take your time and go through the folders one after the other. Now for animals, you understand? Now these are animals. Probably are working on a specific design and you need a particular animal. You can just come here and pick the animal you are looking for. You understand? So this is a library of resources. There is nothing you are looking for that you can't find there. Now let's go to birds. You can see birds, you can see camera. Let's open camera. Hope you can see these are different images. Instead of you going to Pinterest to search for them, all you need to do is just open the link and you will get what you are looking for. So time will fail me to open all the images. Now let's open the one for hair. You understand? So guys, we've opened the folder. Hope you can see. Yes, we have different human hairs here. Okay, so this is for the first link. Now let's go and check other links. Very important. Let's open text and see. You get? Hope you can see this different text. Just come here and download the one that suits your preference. Now let's go and check for other links. Now let's check the other folders. You get? Now this is for the church backgrounds. You click on this. Hope you can see the link. Just like what we did previously, highlight the link. Just highlight it. Now click on follow link. You will see this. The moment you click on it, you are going to find this information beneath the link. Just tap on it. Okay, now open the folder. So guys, hope you can see the different backgrounds here. Quality backgrounds, I mean 4K backgrounds. So just come here, take your time and go through all the folders and you're going to find exactly what you are looking for. Now let's check the other folders. Now let's check these crazy designs. Okay, as usual, so highlight it and click on follow link and click on this. Wow, we have lots of folders here, so just take your time and go through the folders. These are 3D images, you understand? So guys, the resources here are many. Just take your time and pick what you are looking for. We also have books here. Guys, I cannot exhaust the things you are going to find here in this video. Just go ahead and watch this video to the end so you can gain access to the design resources. I want you to start creating premium designs with these premium resources. Let's check this mega bundle. I took my time to create these folders for you guys because I love you guys and I want you guys to do better. So just come here and open each of the folders. You understand? Please, it's very important. So guys, I'm going to stop here. So it is up to you to gain access to the design resources. So these are books for many of you that don't know how to navigate Fiverr. I know you've heard so much about Fiverr. There's a book on how to navigate Fiverr as a beginner. So come here and download them. So guys, take your time and watch the video to the end so you can capture all the numbers, which happens to be the password. This is part 1 of this video. I'll be dropping the part 2 very soon. So thank you so much. If you are yet to hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you have not liked this video, do well to like it and also drop a comment. Now, if you have gained access to the design resources, let me know in the comment section. I would like to read your comments sincerely. I'm always encouraged each time I see your comments. Now, if you have not turned on the notification bell, go ahead and turn it on so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. It's still Vixen Tech. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. See you in my next video.